All right, so we've found the sun, we've found the new moon. Now it's time to find our next phase. All right, the next phase is also going to be very similar to the new moon. Instead of the nearest to the sun, we are now looking for the moon that is the furthest from the sun. And it makes a nice straight line from the sun, from the new moon to the earth to the one that is the furthest. So, right, nearest, furthest, right? If here's the sun, nearest, furthest. If this is the sun, nearest, furthest. And these furthest moons, furthest is our full moon. Furthest is our full moon. So what we want to put in our notes right over here is we want to know that the moon that is the furthest from the sun is going to be our full moon. Right? We can call this our full. And our full moon is 100% bright, 100% illuminated. And again, I like it when things can match up. So let's highlight our F's because our F's are telling us we are a full moon, and that full moon is the furthest from the sun. Let's go with R. Oh, that didn't. Here we go. Furthest from the sun. And if we go back and look at our picture, we can see we just like in the new moon, we want to figure out the order. And we want to see that the one that is the furthest from the sun is going to go in this order where it goes sun, earth, moon. Right? Here's the sun. This is our new moon. Sun, earth, moon. A full moon is always going to go sun, earth, moon. A full moon is always going to go sun, earth, moon. So the moon is going to be the furthest, and the earth is going to be the sandwiched in between. So let's also put that in our notes. It's going to go sun, earth, moon. Right, that's the order we need to pay attention to for a full moon. All right, and once again, we're going to draw our pictures. We're going to insert our sun. It's always going to go sun for a full moon, sun, earth, earth. Again, these pictures are not to scale. They're not even labeled, but hopefully we can get some drawings. Sometimes are worth a lot. So hopefully you can see in a full moon, we go sun, earth, moon. The moon is furthest from the sun. And the new moon, we go sun, moon, earth. The moon is the closest. And just like we did it over here, we can also reverse the picture because it's less about because the order can change. The perspective can change as long as the order is still the same. Whoops. Oh, oops. Okay, so now we got our full moon and our new moon, right? Those are the two easiest ones for us to identify, and it all has to do with your perspective of where the moon is compared to the sun and the earth.